Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Trendy Gadgets. Number 1. GPT-3 Playground. Even before Chatgpt went viral, there was GPT-3 Playground, a platform for the public to play with OpenAI's GPT-3 AI model. Unfortunately, the tool didn't create as much buzz as ChatGPT has. This is partly because of its technical user interface and lack of consumer-focused publicity. Ironically, though, ChatGPT is getting much of the spotlight. GPT-3 is a much larger and significantly more powerful AI model. It is undoubtedly one of the most powerful AI language models around. ChatGPT is like an iteration of the GPT-3 model that has been streamlined and fine-tuned to be more conversational and human-like in its response. It can better understand human intent, provide context-specific answers, and sustain coherent conversations. You can picture GPT-3 Playground as ChatGPT for power users. You can tweak it to do what ChatGPT does and even much more. There are more options and settings to customize the AI model to behave the way you want. There are also some differences in the nature of the response you'll get from both demonstration models. While ChatGPT will refuse to answer questions on some sensitive topics, the GPT-3 Playground tool is less likely to refuse to answer questions. If you'd love to get handy with the GPT-3 Playground, here's a guide on how to use the ChatGPT-3 Playground. Number 2. UChat. UChat, like every other ChatGPT alternative on our list, is powered by OpenAI's GPT 3.5 AI model. This gives it similar capabilities as ChatGPT. It has a sleek, colorful interface, and it neatly interwoven into U.com search engine. As a result, UChat can act as a search engine that gives you a list of links to index web pages relevant to your query. Or you can get typical ChatGPT-style conversational responses for questions. If you're looking for a search engine and chatbot like ChatGPT rolled into one product, then UChat is an excellent option. Unfortunately, UChat is plagued by the limitations of GPT 3.5, which is its base technology. Remember, ChatGPT 3.5 and all related models cannot provide accurate responses to events that occurred after 2021, which is its knowledge-based cutoff date. As a result, if you ask UChat questions about recent events, prepare unpredictable outcomes. While ChatGPT will refuse to answer questions about events after 2021, UChat might attempt to answer such questions incorrectly. Nevertheless, UChat still has the edge over ChatGPT when it comes to handling queries about recent events. We asked UChat and ChatGPT to compare the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro smartphones. Besides difficulties dealing with queries related to recent events and a few other limitations, UChat is a solid ChatGPT alternative. When ChatGPT eventually goes premium, simple and powerful ChatGPT alternatives like UChat would probably get the exposure it deserves. Number 3. Bing AI Chat. Bing AI Chat, or Microsoft's AI-powered Bing, however you choose to call it, is the closest to ChatGPT you can get anywhere on the internet. It is powered by OpenAI's recently released GPT-4 model, making it more powerful and factual than the free-tier ChatGPT used by millions of users worldwide. That's not all. Since Bing AI is tethered to live internet data, unlike ChatGPT, it can get real-time information about trends and events, helping it provide more up-to-date and relevant responses to prompts than your regular ChatGPT. In addition to using OpenAI's GPT language model, Bing AI Chat also benefits from Microsoft's vast wealth of AI resources, giving it an edge over most of the ChatGPT alternatives in our list. Unfortunately, Bing Chat is not as easily accessible as ChatGPT. Instead, you'll have to get into Microsoft's Bing AI's long waitlist to access the chatbot. Millions are currently on the waitlist, and it may take some time before your turn comes. Number 4. Google Bard AI. Another alternative to ChatGPT worth mentioning is Google's Bard AI. Unfortunately, access to the much-touted AI chatbot has been limited to a select group of testers and privileged users. Owing to restricted access, it is hard to assess the abilities of the AI chatbot. However, considering Bard AI's blunders during its public unveiling, commentators adjudge the chatbot might be a bit less appealing than advertised, especially when looking at things from a ChatGPT perspective. Number 5. Characters AI. Character.ai is precisely what it says in the name, a character-themed AI chatbot that lets you simulate interaction with popular celebrities, historical figures, or movie characters. From political figures like Donald Trump to movie characters like Iron Man's Tony Stark, Character AI has a large and interesting selection of characters to interact with on the platform. We tried out a conversation with Tony Stark about getting an Iron Man-style suit, and it was interesting, immersive, and logical. Character AI impressively reflects the tone and mannerisms of the characters on offer. Although Character AI is primarily character-themed, you can still get a Chatgpt-style prompt and response interaction using the Character Assistance feature on the platform. Although generally impressive, don't expect Chatgpt quality responses. That said, Character AI can be worth trying out. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.